Stop saying argument. This one word makes you sound smarter. Polemic. Pronounce it as polemic, rhyming with academic. It means a strong verbal or written attack on someone or something, typically expressing a bitter or aggressive opinion. Instead of a polite debate, the critic published a fierce, 100-page attack tearing the new movie apart. That savage written assault is a polemic. Instead of saying attack, say polemic to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word polemic in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.